Welcome back to Archithings, where we explore the intersection of creativity, design, and everyday living. Today, we're diving into a bold and often misunderstood architectural style, brutalism. But this time, we're asking a big question: can brutalist concrete homes be both stylish and affordable? If you're someone who loves raw textures, clean geometry, and minimalist design, then this video is for you. We'll take you through how concrete can be more than just cold and gray, and how it can actually save you money while delivering a powerful aesthetic statement. Before we jump in, don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and leave a comment below telling us your thoughts on brutalist design. It helps our community grow and brings you more content like this every week. Brutalism originated in the mid-20th century as an architectural movement that emphasized raw materials, especially concrete, and functional design. It comes from the French term béton brut, meaning raw concrete. The style is known for its massive forms, repetitive patterns, and honest exposure of structural elements. It's bold, unapologetic, and often polarizing. Some see it as cold and uninviting, others find it beautifully minimalist and expressive. Today, brutalism is experiencing a resurgence, especially among younger architects and designers who are reimagining the style in residential spaces. And surprisingly, it's becoming a budget-friendly option. Concrete is one of the most cost-effective building materials in the world. It's durable, widely available, and relatively easy to work with, especially in forms and molds. For brutalist homes, it's not just structural, it's also the design feature. Its thermal mass helps maintain stable indoor temperatures, reducing heating and cooling costs over time. That means you're not just saving money during the build, but also over the lifetime of the home. In aesthetic terms, concrete offers a raw, honest texture that eliminates the need for extra wall finishes, paint, or cladding. That simplicity cuts costs and makes a striking visual impact. Let's talk numbers. A traditional wood-framed home can cost significantly more per square foot than a basic concrete structure, especially when factoring in labor and finishing. Concrete molds allow for faster construction timelines and fewer finishing layers. Labor costs can also be reduced because once the formwork is ready, large walls and slabs can be poured quickly. While the upfront cost for formwork may seem high, it pays off in scale and speed. Add to that the long-term savings from reduced energy use and minimal maintenance, and brutalist concrete homes become a compelling choice for cost-conscious designers and homeowners. Brutalist homes are known for their geometric forms, open interiors, and exposed materials. You'll often see blocky shapes, cantilevered elements, and large, uninterrupted surfaces. Windows are used sparingly but strategically, creating framed views of the landscape while preserving privacy. Light and shadow play a huge role in bringing depth and dynamism to otherwise simple structures. Inside, minimalism reigns. Often, the walls and ceilings remain unfinished, while furniture is kept sleek and modern. The result? A powerful blend of raw materiality and clean functionality. One critique of brutalist homes is that they can feel cold or monotonous. But smart design strategies can bring warmth and variation into the space without driving up costs. Using wood accents, warm lighting, or even textiles can soften the appearance of raw concrete. These additions bring balance without detracting from the brutalist ethos. Natural elements, like indoor plants or earthy tones, can also be introduced to offset the starkness of the concrete and make the space more inviting. Brutalist design naturally lends itself to passive architecture strategies. Thick concrete walls offer excellent insulation and thermal inertia, keeping interiors cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. Windows and openings can be strategically placed for cross-ventilation and daylighting, reducing the need for artificial lighting and mechanical systems. These strategies not only enhance comfort but also significantly reduce ongoing energy costs, making your brutalist home more sustainable and economical. A brutalist home calls for a minimalist interior approach. Think modular furniture, open-plan layouts, and materials like steel, leather, and reclaimed wood. The key is to let the architecture speak for itself. Furniture should enhance, not compete with, the structure. Neutral colors and natural textures complement the concrete beautifully. Storage is often built into walls or hidden in clever nooks, maintaining the clean and uninterrupted lines that brutalism is known for. One stunning example is the Brut House in Mexico by Taco Taller de Arquitectura. Built with a tight budget, it uses bare concrete and simple geometry to create a calm, livable space. Another is the Casa Brutale concept, a cliffside home design that redefines how concrete interacts with nature. While conceptual, it's inspired dozens of real-world applications. These examples prove that brutalist design isn't just for museums or government buildings. It can be beautiful, livable, and economical in a home setting. One way to keep costs low while embracing brutalism is to build small but design intelligently. Microhomes or compact dwellings benefit immensely from the structural efficiency of concrete. By focusing on smart layout, multi-use spaces, and integrated furnishings, you can achieve luxury in a small footprint. Less space means less material, and fewer materials mean lower costs. This minimalist mindset aligns perfectly with the brutalist philosophy: form follows function, and beauty lies in simplicity. Believe it or not, there are prefab options for concrete homes that follow brutalist principles. Modular panels, precast elements, and formed kits are now available for DIY or small-scale builders. These systems cut down dramatically on labor costs and build time. You can have a shell up in days instead of months, especially with panelized or tilt-up systems. If you're handy or know someone who is, you can even cast your own walls or furniture using simple molds and a concrete mixer. It's accessible and artistic at the same time. Using locally sourced materials, like aggregate for concrete, can drastically reduce costs and environmental impact. Plus, it roots your design in the natural context of your site. Sustainable additives and eco-friendly concrete mixes, like those incorporating fly ash or recycled glass, are increasingly available and often cost-competitive. These conscious choices elevate your brutalist home from just affordable to ethical and forward-thinking. Of course, there are some drawbacks. Concrete construction requires good planning and experienced hands, especially when it comes to waterproofing, insulation, and structure. It can also be tricky to retrofit or remodel. Once poured, concrete doesn't lend itself well to spontaneous changes. That's why precision and preparation are crucial. But with good design foresight and proper technique, these challenges are manageable, and the payoff is huge in durability and aesthetics. If you're interested in building or renovating a brutalist-style home, start by working with a designer familiar with the style. Look for someone who understands minimalism and concrete as a material. Sketch out your priorities: budget, space, natural light, energy efficiency. These factors will shape the design and determine how brutalism can work for you. Then, do your research on local regulations, concrete suppliers, and potential contractors. The more informed you are, the more confident your decisions will be. Set aside a contingency, typically 10–15%, for unexpected costs, especially in concrete work where small miscalculations can lead to larger issues. Shop around for formwork rentals or used form panels. These can significantly reduce costs, especially for small builds. Finally, prioritize what needs to be built in concrete and what can be done in other cost-effective materials like compressed earth blocks or recycled brick. New innovations like 3D printed concrete walls and smart concrete mixes are pushing brutalist design into the future. These technologies are also making it more accessible and cost-effective. Architects are blending brutalism with biophilic design, using plants, green roofs, and natural textures alongside concrete. The result? Spaces that are both hard-edged and harmonious. Even interior design is catching on, with brutalist-inspired furniture and lighting that you can integrate into any space, regardless of the architecture. If you value functionality, simplicity, and timeless design, then yes, brutalism might be the perfect fit. It's not about trends, but about building with intention and clarity. For budget-conscious homeowners, brutalism offers the rare combination of affordability, durability, and visual impact. It's a bold choice, but often a smart one. Just remember, it's not for everyone. Brutalist homes can be stark and minimal, and that might not suit every taste. But if it speaks to you, it's worth exploring deeply. Thanks for joining us on this deep dive into affordable brutalist design. We hope it gave you fresh ideas and inspiration for your own home project, whether you're dreaming big or thinking small. Concrete homes can absolutely be stylish and budget-friendly when approached with creativity and care. Brutalism is more than just a style, it's a mindset. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe, like, and comment below. We'd love to hear your thoughts and questions, and we'll see you in the next episode of Archithings.